Hello. So today I'm cooking a sausage, onion, lemon gnocchi skillet. So let's get to cooking. I hope I said it right. Gnocchi. Yeah, gnocchi. So we're just gonna slice up our kielbasa just like that. Okay. It's a dang up on that little thing. I'm just gonna slice it up. Okay. That did not work. Gonna dice up our bell peppers. Okay. I may have just messed this thing up. Now let's give it another try. There we go. It's kind of slanted. Oh, my light went dead. It's okay, cause I don't charge them up. I need to be better at it. But we got our garlic. Cut our garlic just like my eyes. I'm going to rotate it so you guys can see the garlic a little bit better. And we're just gonna thought it was gonna be a little hotter than that. So we're just gonna let it heat up. So we got this thing up here cooking so we're gonna add in some bacon grease. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. So the water is boiling, and it says we're gonna add it in the stove top for 2 minutes. So you know your gnocchi is done when it starts floating to the top like that. For our sauce, what we're going to do is add a couple tablespoons of butter. Add in some chicken broth. Gonna add in some pasta water. We're gonna let that get to a simmer. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt. And pepper. Let that simmer down. Get nice. Added in our gnocchi. We added it in now because now the gnocchi is gonna soak up the sauce that we made. Now we're gonna add in our sausage as well to it. Give that a nice little toss. Some lemon juice. So that looks pretty good. If I had some cheese, it'll really make it pop. We're just gonna get a nice little bite off of it. Just like that. Oh, got the gnocchi, onions, bell peppers right here. The gnocchi are like pillows. They taste like pillows. So they're very soft, fluffy, and has a nice little chew to it. But it soaked up the sauce and all of the flavors from the onions, the fattiness and greasiness from the sausage. And I say it's like watching 2 fat kids. It's like watching 2 fat kids play in a pool. They seem so elegant, but it's going on. Hope you like that description. I like it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look at that though, like, look at how the sauce coated the gnocchi. It's like a glaze. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. We're on the road to 1K, so keep the vibes good and the eats even better.